Hello. In this lecture, we will dive into the validation product rules. As a reminder, product rules are meant to help sales reps create accurate codes. One way rules do that is by preventing mistakes. And this is where validation product rules comes in hand. Validation rules confirms that a product combination or code line field values match predetermined conditions. Users see an error message and can't save their product configuration or code until they meet these conditions. You can use these validation rules to ensure that your users create parts of their code in a manner that you can control. If the code isn't configured in this way, the code line editors shows an error message when the users try to save, similar to this one. In order to understand that, let's have a use case. Imagine that your company sells a product named cloud storage. Your sales reps are not allowed to sell cloud storage to any account in the healthcare industry because this industry is not compliant for this sort of cloud storage. If the sales reps try to break this rule, they should get an error message when they click save on the code line editor. In order to achieve that, we will create a product rule record of type validation and two error conditions to evaluate if the product is cloud storage and the account industry is healthcare. For now, let's create the first of the three records necessary for this rule. So under your CPQ app, navigate to product rules and from there hit new. So first we're going to give our product rule a name. No cloud storage for the healthcare industry. For the type, we're going to choose validation. For the scope, we want it to evaluate when the sales reps are in the code line editor, so we're gonna keep it as code. And for the evaluation event, we're gonna choose always. For the condition meets, select all. And here we're going to enter the message that the sales reps are going to see if they're trying to save a code where the product is cloud storage and the account industry is healthcare. So this is the message they're going to see. Cloud storage might not be sold to accounts in the healthcare industry. The active checkbox, I'm going to keep it blank for the moment until we create the error conditions. That's it. Right now, you can hit save. Great. Now we have created our product rule record that will work as a container of our business logic. However, this alone is not enough to prevent sales reps from selling cloud storage products to healthcare industry accounts. That is why we need to create error conditions that evaluate the code industry and the code lines within. And this is what we will see in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course, and master Salesforce CPQ today, use the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.